Say something. Say something.
I agree with you. Possible in public. If we push this normally thing, mawawala ang trust.
Gulang, naging siya, no?
Tuloy natin may
Ah, you want to spin again?
Ay, hindi ka mag-suffer. Malaking consequence.
Ah.
Changing the flow of trust. Let's keep it that way for 10 times.
Yan, dyan siya. Sakto ko na siya.
Hold tight.
Kasi hindi kurot na.
No, I won't stop.
Napukot ka dyan.
Ah.
Binawangan na agad ka sa imo.
Ah, I will stop now. Stop. Okay.
I'm just concerned that
Oh, na.